splendid crash test comes about cost the Lexus RX some simple focuses. Crash test scores for the Lexus RX haven't been in the same class as they should be. We give it a 8 out of 10 here. Read more about how we rate autos this year. The RX's IIHS scores are clear. The Protection Business Subsidized organization gives the RX a top safety pick grant. It wins great outcomes in all tests and meets the IIHS new benchmarks for cutting-edge security innovation and fog light quality. The NHTSA presents clashing data. Front drive RX hybrids get 4 stars generally speaking, with a 4-star rating for front crash security, with an indistinguishable 4-star front security rating. The all-wheel drive RX procures 5 stars generally. On our scale, the 4-star general rating costs the RX a point. Lexus picks up a point by making some security highlights standard. They incorporate forward crash notices with programmed crisis braking, dynamic path control, programmed high shafts, and versatile journey control. A rear-view camera likewise is standard. However, blind side screens are discretionary on a few models, as are Encompass C cameras. Outward vision is okay in the RX, however the roof line closes in a thick back column that hinders a portion of the view. Lexus expanded the RX 4.3 creeps long, however none in wheelbase, to give it a third column and AL toward the finish of its name. While it has a third column, it's all the more a bounce situate, best case scenario. The token overlay level third push isn't reasonable for a grown-up. And keeping in mind that the littlest of youngsters will fit the distance in back, an auto situate won't fit behind somebody sitting in the second column, regardless of raising the second line 2 inches. Footroom is missing for those in the third line. Contenders, for example, the Acura MDX improved the situation with 5 to 8 inches more extra space in the second and third columns, contingent upon situating. Contrasted with the RXL's 23.5 creeps of room to breathe in push 3 and 30.9 crawls in push 2. Putting every one of the 3 columns up nets just 7.45 cubic feet of room, half of what the MDX offers for pulling obligations, which will guardians and grandparents won't discover reasonable for a major day trip with the children or grandkids.